In here, we will discuss a special feature of this CSS Pro software, which is the unique item processing, handling of unique item. Most of the time, when we having an item, for example, we're having an item, normally we have an item, we have one barcode and one item code, and this item can have a lot of quantity, all the same barcode, same item code for retail sale. As for unique item, is different. As for unique item, for example, you have an item A with a general barcode. Each item of general item A, each item A also consists of unique item code. So each item of A we have one item code of itself. Typical example will be something like this. For example, you have a handphone Samsung type X with a general barcode of S1 to 8. Now each handphone Samsung type X also have a unique item code. For example, the one quantity we have X1234. Second one is X5678. Third one, example here, for example, Y1234. And then the four of this handphone have a unique item code X5678. And how do we do sell and able to identify each item code itself to which customer? So in this segment, we will talk about unique item on all these steps. How to create, how to do purchase order and check in, and when we do the sale, how do we do it? If there is a transaction need to be void, how do we void it? And if we decided to return the item back to supplier, or we write off the item, how do we do it? Now the first step is to create a unique item. Okay, to do that, we come to the program here. We need to do a one-time setup. One-time setup in here, setup on product category, on the unique this side, and we do an edit. We insert a unique. Okay, for Indonesia, unique. Okay, so we need to insert this particular unique name in the system for us to identify that now this item is unique. After we insert this, now we can start create the unique item. Now we can create the unique item. Now we come to this inventory level. Okay, I clear everything. So just to do the demo of this, so I come to here, I do a new, and I select my category, still same is item, and this one must switch to unique. Okay, and then now I can key in the name of my handphone. The key in the name of the handphone in here will be this particular handphone. Okay, so I put it in, and I put in the barcode S1234567 and then next thing is the sale price, for example 120. No order quantity, no order price, that's it. Only enter name, make sure this one switch to unique, and you insert the sale price, and then you insert. Okay, now the item is created. If we come back to here, you can see that item is created. Now as you can see, item is created with the stock quantity still 0. Next we need to do the second step, which is purchase order and check in. To do that, we come back to our program, and on this pull, do a right click to enter to the purchase write off module. Right click and wait for the process to complete, and come to this purchase and write off process control. Now to do the second step, which is the purchase order and check in, all we need to do same as a normal purchase. We do a new transaction, which is purchase of today, and then in detail we're going to fill in the item we want to buy. In here I will take a new here, I select the handphone right here. Okay, and the quantity now still 0, yeah, now still 0. Now if you want to buy in here, since this is a unique, yeah, each purchase can be only one item at a time. So in here I'm going to key in only one. I enter, and system will ask you to enter the unique item code. So my unique item code for item number 1 is X1234. So X1234. Okay, and then next I enter the purchase price. Okay, this one is for one item. For second item, let's say I buy more than one of these handphone. Yeah, I say again, I do a new in here. I select the same item, select, and this will fall into second line. Same thing, it's 1. Okay, and then I enter unique item code. This one will be X5678. Okay, so the code we enter will be right here. Right here. In here I also enter the purchase price. Okay, this is for second item. For the third item and fourth item also same, yeah. Enter new here, click new, select the same item, and then 1, and this is Y1234, yeah. The unique code for this third item. Make sure the selling, the buy price is entered, and then the fourth item also same, yeah. So item also same, and this is 1, and then Y5678. Okay, and then the purchase price. Now after we enter all the quantity, each unique item only can have one quantity with individual unique item code, yeah. And then after we can confirm that all these things is correct, and then we can do a check-in, yeah. Right click, do a check-in at once, yeah. So first item check-in, second item check-in, third item check-in, and fourth item check-in. Now when we done, yeah, when we done status or check-in, we can exit back to our inventory module. We can check now Samsung handphone. Samsung, we have 4, quantity of 4, and the stock card is right here. There's 4 purchase, each one with unique item code in the stock card. Okay, each one with unique item code in the stock card, and we can now perform the sale of this handphone, yeah. Okay, exit. Now we go for the sell module. Now here at the sell module, yeah, we want to start doing the step number 3, yeah, which is how to do sell on unique item. Come back to the program, F5 twice, and we select customer, yeah, Michael. For example, this one customer is Michael. We're going to sell the handphone now. Handphone Samsung Tab X. We select the item. After when we select the item, and system will request additional input, which is the unique item code. In here you can scan the product or left click this button to select available unique item code. For example, I select number 1. Okay, select. Okay, and then okay, you can see that now the handphone Samsung Tab X, the unique item code, this is sold to this customer. If you want to sell 2 items, same, we select again into the second line. This is the second line. If we can scan the unique item code, or we select what are the available unique item codes. Since I select the first one, I select Y, for example, this time select Y. Okay, now you can see that 2 unique item codes selected for the same product. Okay, next, just do payment as usual. Payment, full payment, and receipt. Yes, so the item is sold to Michael. 2 handphones, same product with different unique item code to customer Michael. Okay, after we done, we come back to the sale. Now the transaction itself, 2 items is sell on this unique item. Now in here, I just want to do a quick check, quick check on the same handphone, this one. How many left? 2 left. Look at the stock card. Okay, we can see that 2 items being sold. 2 items being sold. Unique code is this one sold, this one sold to customer Michael. Exit, we back to the cell now. Now to do a quick check on the transaction, go to here, T, and we can see that we have a transaction, Michael, in the product he bought is same product, handphone, but unique item code is different. Okay, so exit back to cell. Now we're going to do another transaction. Another transaction, yeah, F5 twice, it's a different customer. Okay, Santo is my customer. Again, sell this handphone again. Okay, select unique item code. Now only available 2 left, yeah, 2 left. So I select the Y, select. Okay, so this one Y5678 and same go for payment, yeah, as usual. And you can see that later on where the product go to, yeah, where the product go to. So finish this one. Now I'm going to exit the cell module and I start checking the transaction here. Now we have done the step number 3, yeah, sell. Now I want to check the transaction, yeah. If we want to void transaction, how do we do it? Yeah, how do we do it? Come back to here, enter to the transaction processing module, and we can see the transaction. Yeah, Michael buy 2 handphone with 2 unique code. Santo buy 1 handphone with 1 unique code. Let's say among these 2 transactions, Michael want to void this item. Yeah, return this item and we want to void it. How do we do it? Just focus on this item, click void, left click void, and then left click void again. Yeah, yes. So you can see that the item is being returned to our stock. Yeah, the item Y1234 is being returned to our item. That's how we void item in here. Yeah. Now we go to the inventory. We're going to check this handphone stock level. Yeah, handphone stock level. Now we can see that now the handphone stock level current quantity is 2. If you enter to the stock card, okay, we can see that where is remain. This one remain 1. Remain 1 because it's void Michael transaction. Yeah, void Michael transaction. So the remaining is Y1234. There's another one remaining right here, which is X5678. So we have stock quantity of 2 distributed in here. 1 unique code is this one, and this is another one. Unique code is this one, and our total stock is 2 for this handphone. Now we come to the last step, how to write off or uncheck in the quantity. Come back to the program. For any reason, if for one reason or another, we want to write off this handphone or want to return to supplier, all we need to do same as we do purchase. Come to port here, right click, enter to the purchase and write off module. Yeah. Purchase and write off module. In here, not only we can do check in positive, we can also do check in negative. To return or write off this handphone, all we need to do again, now we're going to create a new transaction, new, yes, in here change to write off or return, yeah, or return. Okay, and then we're going to select the item, yeah, select the item which is the handphone itself. Handphone in here, -1. Yeah, we're going to return to the supplier and write off, and we need to select the unique item code also in here. Right here, only 2 left. First one I selected. Okay, and then I select another one, same name, also -1. Yeah, and then select the second one. Okay. After we enter -1, and make sure you have entered the price also, okay, and then the unique item code is selected, and then now we can do a check-in. Right click check-in, yes, so the item will go to 0 in stock quantity. Now we have complete check-in. If we exit right here, we come back to the inventory module, you can check now the current quantity is 0.